Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a view on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Salesforce, you can change the view of different pages and data in various ways depending on what you want to customize, such as the layout, list views, or even how the records are displayed. Now, if you wanted to change the view from Lightning Experience to Classic, all right, all I have to do is hover down to the upper right corner where you can see the profile icon. I want you to click on the user. Now, if you're not aware, Salesforce has two main user interfaces. The Lightning Experience, which is going to be the modern with more features. And of course, the Salesforce Classic, which is going to be the older version. And from here, once you have clicked your profile icon, all you have to do is click the option here that says switch to Salesforce Classic. And what will happen is you would be forwarded here in the Salesforce Classic. All right. Now, another option that you can do is, again, if you want to switch back and change the view, going back to the Lightning Experience, all I have to do is click this option that says switch to Lightning Experience, and you'll be changing the view back to its original form earlier. You see that? Now, another option that you can do for you to change the view here in Salesforce is customizing the list view. How we can do that? All I have to do, once we are inside the Lightning Experience homepage, all right, I want you to click to Accounts, Contacts, and Contracts. Click on Accounts, click all accounts, and here we can change the list view. By clicking the gear icon, we have an option to change the view in terms of the listings. All right, click that. You can list view controls like clone, rename, sharing settings, and a lot more. If you wanted to have a new view here, you might want to click on add view. All right, I'm gonna put in this one and automatically put in a API name. All right, and you have all of the options. Who can see this list view? Is it gonna be only you, or all users who can see this list view? That way you are changing the view here in Salesforce in no time. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.